Hello there, today I am on a server. Full server. I'll give you the address in it. No. This is the builder. I would say let's go. It's very laggy because I am making a video now. That's why it's making laggy. This is no briefing, okay? This is Tech It, okay? Come on, yes, that one. Found one. Where did it go? Up there. Not. Another one. Okay, I don't know how it works. Let's go home. Wait for it. So I'm here now. A girl. There's one a girl. Oh god, I'm in the city. I don't know. Usually this is the address. Yellow. It is 216.144.255.69. Okay? Let's just look. Okay. What I oh wow. Where we go? I am in here. So this is the room of team builder. I don't know what he put. Oh, he puts a bed. Ooh. So that's my bed. No space. So we have a half room. So team builder has a lock. We can't open it. And this is a public use chest. One can use it. Chopper, leather, cookies. Yes. You left me cookies. So nice. I left cookies. So nice. So I have these two. Awesome. I'll transfer my pet somewhere. Okay. It's a lot to explore. Wait. Let me just set this as slash set. Oh, object. So let's go to spawn. Oh, is that hand icon? So you'll go here, new add, blah 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 on Skype rules. Go to get server structure from. So I don't know how that works. So let's just go, and this is the spawn. The first time I spawned here on this in that center. So I spawned there, and I don't know where to look. I don't know. So wait, what's that? That's AKA. Hey, AKA. Hey. So it's bounty. And let's just go. Actually, there's a lot of things to explore, but they never told me where is the village, where is the heck, where are the things. So I don't know. Just gonna go. Go home. Sometime with always this saggy. Just wait, but I, indoor. Come on. There you go. So see you. Don't don't forget the server. Okay. See ya. Subscribe.